Brno, Czech Republic. Now let's talk about Brno, the unsung hero of Czech architecture. A lot of people know Prague, but Brno, it's a whole different level of architectural wonder. Brno blends the best of both worlds, historical charm and modern flair. The city's historical center is a treasure trove of stunning architectural styles, from Renaissance to Baroque to Art Nouveau. But what really sets Brno apart is its bold embrace of contemporary architecture. One of the coolest things you can do here is visit during the annual Open House Brno festival, where dozens of buildings open their doors for free, giving you a chance to explore both private and public spaces, some of which are architectural masterpieces. The standout, though, has to be the Villa Tugendhat, a UNESCO-listed gem designed by Ludwig Mies van der Rohe, which showcases modernist principles in the most elegant way possible. Brno isn't just about looking at buildings. It's about experiencing them in their full glory, whether you're standing in a medieval square or gazing up at sleek modern designs. The mix of old and new here is truly something special. If you love architecture that's both timeless and forward-thinking, Brno is a must-see. Have you been to Brno or any other city that combines old with new in such a cool way? Drop a comment below.